I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from a shared photo album on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad and tap the Collections tab at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Tap Albums and then tap the Shared tab on the next screen. This is where you'll see all of your shared photo albums on your iPhone or iPad. A list of your shared photo albums on your iPhone or iPad is displayed. Tap the specific shared photo album you want to stop sharing with someone. Step 4. Tap the ellipses at the top of this screen and then tap the name of the shared photo album. You'll see the list of people who currently have access to this shared photo album. Step 5. If you see someone you want to remove, just tap their name and then tap Remove Subscriber. Tap Remove in the window that pops up asking you to confirm you want to remove this user and delete this album from their device. This will completely delete the shared album from everyone's devices you remove, though the original photos will still remain in your personal photo library. Also, keep in mind that you can only remove subscribers if you are the original creator of the shared album. If someone else created it, you will not see the option to remove people, and you will only be able to remove yourself from the album. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.